Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you have legal access to the Pakistani drama and know the region lock causing the block. Next, pick a reputable VPN that offers nearby or Pakistan servers and strong encryption. This matters for speed and privacy. Once chosen, download and install the VPN app on your streaming device. Use the official store or vendor page. Make sure to enable automatic updates. They patch leaks. Now open the app and prepare to sign in so you can select the correct server. You sign in and immediately enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection in settings because they prevent leaks that reveal your location. Then choose a Pakistan server. If none exist, pick the closest low-latency city to reduce buffering. For connection protocol, use OpenVPN or IKEv2 for proven stability. Swap to WireGuard if you need better speed. Once connected, clear the streaming app cache and set your device's time zone to match Pakistan if required by the service. Test playback and note latency. You complete the setup by starting the streaming app and confirming video plays smoothly. If playback stalls, clear cookies and use private mode. This often fixes token-related geo-blocks. If switching servers, try adjacent locations to find lower packet loss. Measure speed. Aim for 5 to 10 Mbps for 720p or 15 to 25 Mbps for 1080p. If speed is low, change protocol or server. If the service still blocks you, install VPN on your router or use smart DNS as a fallback, and always test again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.